This is the Mini-copter, and since we released it probably about 8 or 9 years ago, I've gone ahead and updated it using modern materials. So for example, the old version, this is the old version, it had a hub that was made out of a bunch of tiny pieces of plywood and aluminum tube. So now this new one now has a hub that's 3D printed, which makes assembly a snap. So it doesn't change the design at all, other than now everything is molded and it goes together a lot easier. So if you want to try something really unique, this is the Mini-copter. And as you can see, the blades spring out when it opens, and then it will spin as it comes down. So get this as Apogee Components. Our web address is www.apogeerockets.com.
Milligan flying his Mini-copter on a 1/2A. Tim, you ready?
Ready.
A1 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Straight true.
1002, 1003, 1004, 1000, and it's spinning.
Where's it at?
Right here.
Okay. Oh, there it is.
There it is.
Moving over to pad A3.
Interesting.
We got Lucas. Another try with his big nuke. A3 going
Very
in
nice.
5,